Learning about gerunds with Ben 10. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb ending in ing and also functions as a noun. When are gerunds used? Gerunds can be used after the conjunctions and prepositions listed in the table. Examples with prepositions. We use gerunds when the verb is immediately after a preposition. Example 1. Ben 10 can't leave without worrying about the villains. Examples with conjunctions. Grandpa Max normally tells Ben good night before going to bed. Gerunds can replace the subject or object of a sentence. Joey likes eating carrots. Keep in mind, not all words ending in ing are gerunds. How to identify gerunds. Example. Gwen said jumping out of a perfectly good airplane is insane. Step 1. Determine how the ing word is being used. Step 2. Identify the verb. Step 3. Ask who or what is insane. Step 4. Find the subject. Step 5. See if it can be changed by the word it. Gerunds can be used as subjects, direct objects, or indirect objects. That's your lesson with Ben 10.